Stop overpaying. Brainy Buyer's head-to-head comparison mean you save. Like what you see? Subscribe and fund the fight for honest reviews.
So, I'm looking at these two renewed espresso machines, the Philips 3200 with LatteGo and the Jura S8. Big price difference, huh? The Philips is around $600, and the Jura is almost $1,500.
Yeah, that's a significant jump. What are you hoping to get out of an espresso machine? That might help narrow it down.
Well, ease of use is key. I don't want to spend hours figuring out complicated settings. And, I like milk-based drinks, so a good frother is important.
Okay, both have fully automatic operation, which is good. The Philips boasts 5 coffees at your fingertips, and the Jura claims 15. That touchscreen on the Jura S8 sounds pretty slick, though. The Philips just mentions being programmable, so maybe fewer options to tweak.
A touchscreen Z'd nowhere's tempting. But is it worth the extra $900? The Philips has a 12-step grinder adjustment, which seems pretty decent for dialing in the grind. What about the Jura's grinder?
The Jura has an Aroma G3 grinder. It claims to be twice as fast and more precise. Marketing speak, probably, but it suggests a focus on grind quality. And it has pulse extraction process. PEP claims optimal extraction time, which sounds fancy.
Okay. What about the frothing? The Philips uses something called LatteGo, saying it makes silky smooth froth.
The Jura has a fine foam frother, specifically designed for milk-based drinks. Both seem to prioritize good milk foam, which is what you're after.
Right. Size-wise, the Philips is 15 DX 10 inches, WX 17H, and the Jura is 17.5 x 11 by 13.7 inches. So the Philips is taller but less deep. Weight is pretty similar, both around 22 pounds.
Also, the Philips has more reviews, like 55 with a 4.1 rating, while the Jura only has 8 reviews and a 3.4 rating. Could be a newer product, or maybe some initial quality issues.
Good point, and both are renewed, so there's always a bit of risk. The Philips description mentions inspection by Amazon qualified suppliers, which is reassuring. The Jura just says renewed with a 90-day warranty.
So you're paying extra for the Jura's touchscreen, potentially better grinder and extraction, and maybe a slightly more premium feel. But the Philips is significantly cheaper, has better reviews, and a known inspection process.
Okay, this is helping. Maybe the Philips is the smarter choice for now. I can always upgrade later. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.